kwado megunọtakpare Ibieta Bb. I want to talk about letter B in Urhobo. Letter B, which sound as B in English. Ba, be, be, bi, bo, bo, bu. Okay, let's give some example of letter B. Example of letter B. We have Biko. Biko. Biko means please. Push. Br'oma, adjust or give chance. Bẹrẹ, push it here. Yara, push it away. Buotu Much in number. Bẹrẹ Tear, bro, cut it. Brora, go to him. Broriẹn, come to him. Brhemu, to pay bride price. Bra, to be bad or wicked. Bla, very bad or very wicked. Kẹvwẹ, cut it for me. Cut it for me. Broriẹn Judge. Broriẹn Judge. Bunọr Much. Bunọr Much. Krẹkrẹ, cut it small. Brọmẹ, cut my own big. Buebu Many or much. Br'oma Walk fast or go fast. Branama, show off or Shakara. That is where the letter B will end. In our next class, we'll talk about letter D. In Urhobo, we don't have alphabet C that stand on its own. So that's why we cannot use C. So our next class will be letter D. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.